our Wisconsin trip was a complete bust.
Bummer. We didn't even get there.
No, everybody else made it.
Yeah, everyone else did make it, with the exception of one of our subscribers who we let know ahead of time that we would be late, so they canceled. However, we did not make it there at all.
Mike and Heidi, RV Daydream, they made it. Heather
And
John, just more camping with
the
Shrags. Greg and Juanita, they made it. John and Sandy, they made it.
And my coworker Todd and his wife Cheryl, they made it.
And we
Did not. It was a big bummer. I'll let Mike explain why.
Well, at work, we had 2 instructors quit at the exact same time. So it put, the company I work for in a serious bind.
Yeah.
So me being the guy with work ethic, I don't know what you want to call it.
Yeah, company man.
Company man. I said, I'll take the hit. I'll step up. I'll work.
Yeah, so he volunteered to work.
It didn't make me happy, and it really didn't make Lynn very happy.
Quite unpleasant for a couple of days.
Right. But anyways, we're gonna do a different trip.
Yeah, we're gonna try to make up for lost time.
Yes.
In a different trip that we haven't quite decided what, when, or where.
We're thinking September. We haven't nailed down a date or a location.
Right. Obviously, no reservations. Because
Right.
We don't roll like that.
And this is why we don't make reservations, because look what happened in Wisconsin.
Right. And that was one of the reasons why I actually yelled that to myself. This is why we don't make reservations. Because you never know when you have to cancel for unforeseen circumstances.
Right. We had a whole group of people waiting on us. And the only reason that they were there is because we set this up.
This was our trip that we set up. This was our campground, our favorite place to go.
Right. So
things are what they are.
Right. But anyways, we have a giveaway.
We do. Yay.
We started using some black tank chemicals made by a company called Unique.
Yes. And they're right here.
These right here. And we tried them, and we liked them.
A lot.
We liked them a lot, so we wrote back to them, and they said, we'll send you some more free.
More to give away to some of your subscribers.
Right, so we have a discount code, which is?
Wandering Wagners, all one word.
And what's the website?
It is uniquecampingandmarine.com.
We'll put it down here.
Yes.
So the thing that we liked about them was we tried all the different drop-in packs, the liquid stuff, and we were always getting a black tank smell, especially after we traveled.
Right, because we travel a lot, and you don't always have to dump your black tank after a day or two.
Right.
So
we would stop, and it would smell like sewer inside this trailer, especially in the bathroom.
Yeah.
So we started using this stuff. Yeah, this stuff right here, which this is the drop-in packs. And now we don't get that smell at all.
Right. This stuff is made in Colorado. It is formaldehyde free. It liquefies anything, and you can use any type of toilet paper, not just the RV toilet paper.
We haven't tested that ourselves because
we actually like our RV toilet paper.
Right. And it's just all we've had in here is RV toilet paper. We haven't had
to restock or anything like that.
We've just been using what we have.
Right.
But along with this is the quick dissolving drop-in pods. There's 10 in here. They gave us a bottle of the RV toilet cleaner.
Yeah.
And holding tank enhancer. So we're going to give both of these away.
And to win these products or to enter our little giveaway, what we've decided to do is make it a little fun. So go ahead.
Well, when we were in Mount Gilead, we were talking about naming the trailer, and we haven't done it, but everybody seems to tell us, oh, name your trailer or something.
It's either this or that. So we're going to have a fun giveaway.
Right. So people were coming up with different names because we came up with Dinky.
Yeah, and Finky.
And Finky.
Someone also said they would unsubscribe if we went with Finky.
Right. So just submit in the comments what you think we should name the trailer. And Airstream has an official name registry where you get like a certificate and this little like emblem.
Badge, yeah.
So if you can give us a name that's unique, or give us a name that makes us really laugh.
Yeah, it can be serious, but the funnier, I mean, we're funny people. We like to joke around, make us laugh, and it'll be probably the most ridiculous thing. It might win.
Yeah, just
dry humor.
Yes, it's very dry humor. So if you can make us laugh, we may pick you, and you get the drop-in packs and the liquid toilet cleaner.
So submit your options below, and we will announce both on our YouTube channel and probably our Facebook and Instagram, just shared across the board, who wins.
But when you do submit like a name idea, do it on YouTube, because we don't want to have to go across all the social
Socials.
media platforms, and it's just a lot easier if it's all in one place.
Right. So we're gonna base this one off of our YouTube channel. So if you got something, submit it, and we'll get back.
All right. Now I'll just apologize in advance for this funky lighting. Got sunlight coming through the skylight here.
Yes. It's like I'm in and I'm out. So, so I guess that's all we have right now. We're probably gonna go camping again next weekend.
Right.
So we'll have another camping video for you guys.
Yep. And then sometime in September we'll take that bigger trip.
Yep.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks. Bye.